Mu lutuula lw'akakiiko olwaleero okuwuliriza ebikwatagana ku bbago ku ttaka gavumenti lye yaleeta, minisita w'ebyamateeka Kahinda Otafire ebigambo bimusobedde ababaka bamukunyiza ku kigendererwa kya gavumenti ku nsonga eno. Kahinda Otafire mu kakiiko abaddemu ne minisita munne ow'ebyettaka Amongi. Otafire ategeezezza ababaka ng'ennongoosereza eno bw'etagendereddwamu kuggyako gavumenti buvunaanyizibwa bwayo okuliwirira abo ababa bafiiriddwa ettaka lyabwe.
What we are trying to do here is to ensure that we deposit the sum in question, whatever the circumstances are, in court, while people sort out themselves.
This particular principle is dealing with the issue of where there is dispute. Where there is dispute, what happens?
Omubaka wa Ajuru County Benson Obua atuse n'okubuuza minisita Amongi okuwa akakiiko amawanga amalala mu nsi yonna agalina amateeka nga gavumenti ge yagala okuleeta.
And I emphasize the aspect of that country also having in its national constitution a similar provision like the one we have, that land belongs to the people.
For now, we have not established countries with the two of the ingredients.
System working. One hand giving to the people, another one taking. You have any country like that?
Let me ask the senior.
We have not particularly yet established or come across a country.
Why don't you allow the minister to tell us how much
No, I'm going there.
Please listen, you are not a member of this committee.
I'm going to my last.
Listen, you are not a member of this committee. Listen.
Mr. Chairman,
when you are in the ministry, you can talk the way you want. Mr. Chairman, I am not going to allow these civil servants to come here and misbehave.
I would want us to adjourn, go and look at this, what he has raised, and then we come back when we are ready.
I know that it's my role to grant. You've not applied for adjournment.
Bwegutuse ku lwaki gavumenti essaawo enkola emisango egyekuusa ku butakkaanya ku nsasulwamu egirina okuwulirwa mu bunnambiro, minisita Otafiire ategeezezza akakiiko nga kino bwe kiri ekizibu eri gavumenti ko ebigendererwa byayo.
Can't you amend this law, designate a high court, give the time frame? Because all your concern is about the time frame.
The dispute here is, do I get my adequate compensation before I leave or before you take possession? How can you say that you are not affecting the right of possession, which is actually constitutional?
What about the appeal process? Because you see, I'll go to the High Court, lose the case, go to the Court of Appeal.
No.
I'll go to the Supreme Court.
So why do you think it is on the land, and why do you write to the public that we have such a crisis that land disputes are laying in government projects, even where you borrow? Go and read reports of loans by Minister of Finance.
Gye bigweredde nga minisita Otafiire asabye akakiiko kamweyo akadde asobole okwongera okwebuuza ku baminisita abalala olwakomewo ng'asobola bulungi okuttaanya ensonga.
Kirabika abaminisita bwe bamala okujja mu palamenti basanga ebintu bizibu ne bawandiikira dipatimenti za gavumenti zonna nga babagamba buli alinayo pulojekiti yali eruddewo atuwandiikire.
Kakati tekibeera kya bwenkanya nti gavumenti eno etasasula ate ejja n'egamba nti vaawo tuyiseewo pulojekiti za gavumenti awo eba ennenya semateeka akawaayiro aka 26.
Julius Senkandwa, NTV.